In 2008, Epson established a long-term environmental vision to fundamentally address the deepening problem of global warming. In line with this vision, we are aiming to reduce CO2 emissions by 90% across the life cycle of our products and services by the year 2050. Our products issue from efficient, low-impact production processes that are built around Epson's efficient, compact, and precise technologies. These technologies, which maximize energy efficiency, minimize size, and realize exquisite precision, are a result of a creative and daring spirit nurtured by a rich natural environment. Compactness, lightweight, energy efficiency, long life, and recyclability are hallmarks of Epson products. In addition to surprising and delighting our customers, these features help to mitigate environmental impacts. Mitigating environmental impacts on a global scale is the goal of our environmental vision. To attain this goal, we believe it is imperative to provide products and services that improve the work and lifestyles of our customers while dramatically reducing their environmental footprints. Our digital textile printers are prime examples of products that do just this. Needing no screens, digital textile printers faithfully reproduce a wide range of designs, using only a fraction of the energy, materials, and time required by conventional textile printing processes. Epson's new office papermaking system is another example. This system, which produces new sheets of paper from waste paper, shortens and localizes the normally large paper recycling process in an office, and without using water. Epson's responsibility as a manufacturer is to provide innovative products and services that embody our strong commitment to the environment. Founded in 1942 in the ecologically rich environment of Nagano, Epson has evolved in harmony with local communities and the environment. Epson's corporate culture emphasizes the pursuit of ambitious goals and objectives. Collaboration before competition, and harmony with the environment, as declared in the company's management philosophy. These are values that will endure. What we at Epson hope is to improve quality of life and preserve this beautiful world through our technologies, products, and services. After all, 2050 is not that far off.